Tired of a messy Bookmarks Bar cluttering your Chrome browser on your iPhone? Let's get right to cleaning up your bookmarks. Starting with opening the Chrome map on your iPhone, go ahead and tap the Chrome icon to launch the browser. Now, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 dots. Tap on those 3 dots to open the Chrome menu. In the menu that pops up, find and tap on Bookmarks. This will take you to your saved bookmarks. You'll now see a list of all your bookmarks. To delete one, locate the bookmark you want to remove. Once you have found your bookmark, simply swipe it to the left. Doing so will bring up a delete button. You'll now see a red delete button. Tap this button, and just like that, the bookmark will be gone. You can also delete bookmarks stored within folders. Just tap on the folder to open it, and then swipe left on the bookmark you want to delete, following the same steps. To keep things organized, consider creating folders for your bookmarks. Tap the 3 dots again, go to Bookmarks, and then tap the 3 dots in the top right corner. Select New Folder and name it appropriately. Finally, make sure your bookmarks are synced across all your devices by heading to Chrome settings and ensuring that sync is turned on. That's it. With these simple steps, you can keep your Chrome browser clean and organized, making browsing a much more enjoyable experience.